As you guys have read from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys quite a few products that you guys can potentially look into dropshipping. I don't like the videos where people make and then they show you like 3 products and then everyone sells the same exact one. So I'm going to give you guys some options. Hopefully that won't saturate every single product because that's not my intention. I'm just making this video to help you guys out because I know when I started dropshipping, I personally had no idea what was a good winning product and what wasn't a good winning product, like what I should and shouldn't sell. Hopefully by the end of this video, you guys have a great understanding of what winning products look like and what I sort of look for when I'm finding some. I have a ton of Facebook tabs pulled up, so I'm going to go through them one by one, explain the product, why I would potentially want to sell it, and why you guys may want to sell the product. Before we get into it, be sure to leave a like and click subscribe, and if you guys also want to follow me on Instagram, I reply to some DMs and I do Q&As and polls and stuff like that. I will leave a link in the description for that. Other than that though, let's just get into it. I'm going to start screen recording and we will start going through these products. The first product is going to be this mask that covers your ears. Now it's currently winter time and there's a lot of winter sports that people participate in, and I know in California it's getting a little cold, so this is a pretty cool product. I'm going to play the video ad. It's a mask that will also cover your ears, so you guys can see the product right there. And this is from a page called Zentric. I don't know if they're a general store or what, but at first I was kind of curious about the mask. I didn't know if it was something cool or not, or if it was worthwhile, and then I kept watching this ad and saw the comments start to stack up, and a lot of people are engaging in it and actually saying that they've bought the product or that they want to buy the product. That's why I decided to add this product in this video, just because it does look really interesting, and I'm sure the margins are great on this product. I'm sure you can find this on Alibaba for like $1, and people would definitely spend like $10 to $20 on a product like this. The cool thing when dropshipping masks, because I have friends who have done it and still do it, is the average order value is normally really high since people buy multiple masks. I know I have like 5 or 10 just because I always want to wash mine and then swap them out and do all that stuff. So a lot of people buy multiple, which makes it a great option to sell one of these products. I know Facebook, it's a little sketchy when you're running ads for masks, but nonetheless, this is a great product, and I'll go through the video ads some more in depth. I don't know what the purpose of that is. I guess blocking out heat or something, and then it kind of just shows the product off and how easy it is to use and how it covers your ears and keeps them warm. So cool mask. They have cool designs, but yeah, that's the first product. The next video is this automatic dog ball launcher. So I'll just play the video real quick. Basically, the dog dropped the ball in there and then it launches the ball across the room. Now, this is a higher ticket product. I believe they're selling it for, yeah, like $140. And I believe I saw this on Alibaba for something like $30 or $40. So this is a great higher ticket product. And the product does probably sell really well. They have 7,000 comments and they have great engagement overall on the posts. And I've seen this product being ran for a while now. I've also seen it on Amazon, and it's performing really well. Again, the margins are pretty good on it. A lot of people are interested in getting into the pet niche. The issue is a lot of the products are very competitive. So if you can get in with something super unique like this product, and then you can also upsell other products, that's how you can get your foot in the door with a niche like this, because overall the pet niche is very competitive. But again, if you sell a unique product like this that normally people don't see as much, then that's how you could potentially sneak your way into an extremely competitive niche and actually start building up an empire in that specific niche. Because again, there are some niches where it's very difficult to actually compete since big brands have already sort of dominated them, but these are easy ways to sneak in there. This next product is another pet product. It's actually a cat product. I'll play it. It's basically a banana bed for cats. I thought this was really cute. I saw it today and it's pretty cool. I know my cats would definitely probably hop in there and take naps just because they're very odd cats. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. And the reason I'm showing you guys pet products is because pet owners actually shop for their pets quite a bit, especially during the holidays. My parents do stockings for our pets and we buy stuff like this, like cool little toys or a bed or something like this. So I know there are a lot of cat owners who would see this and think it's the best thing ever and then buy it for their pet, which is probably what's happening with this store. And I haven't seen this product being ran a ton, so that's why I decided to add this one in here, just because again, the pet niche is a difficult niche, but if you can sell a cool product like this, that almost disrupts the market because this isn't a typical ball or like some toy or something, so it definitely is unique. If you can sell something like this, you can definitely get into the pet niche very easily. So this is another cool product. If you guys are confused about what to sell, that's a good one. I do recommend it. This next product is a back massager. Massage products overall in 2020 have been dominating. They've been doing really well. Neck massagers, back, hand, foot massagers, knee massagers, like all sorts of stuff works really well just because maybe more people are taking care of themselves this year or something like that, or people are home working rather than going out to the office and stuff like that. So maybe there's a lot more stress on them, so that's why these products are doing really well. As you guys can see, it's just a little massager that you can lay down, or you can put it on the back of your chair or something like that, and you can use it while you work and get a massage. It's pretty cool. And you can also use it for your arm. I don't know if you guys saw that right there. You can use it for your arm as well, so that's, again, pretty cool. And overall, it's a great product. It is electronic. There are usually different issues if you're selling electronic products. I know I've sold electronic products in the past, and I still do, and there's a lot more stuff you have to deal with, but the margins normally are there for the products, which is why it makes them a great option. So overall, this product is pretty cool, and I do really think it could do well this Q4 and moving into 2021. Like, yes, scaling a product for Q4 is great, but if you can find a product that you can take long term and maybe like run it for 6 months to a year, that would probably be more beneficial for you guys. So that's another good product that I think some people should definitely look into selling. This next product, they're dog clippers. So they're clippers for your dog to groom them, and they're super quiet, and I was really shocked when I saw all of the engagement. Everyone's saying that they have this product and it's great. I got one for my doodle, doesn't bother her. I have this, I have one, got mine, love these, they work wonderful. When I saw all this engagement, I was pretty shocked by it, because that is what you're looking for when you want to find a winning product. You want to see this engagement where people are saying that they love the product. That's when in your head you're like, people love this product, I can go ahead and sell it. So this is probably one of the top products for this video, just because, again, people love the product and it is in the dog niche, and it isn't something plain like a pet toy or something. It's something super specific, like a quiet dog clipper, because I'm sure there are a lot of dogs who get upset when clippers are loud. So this could save people a lot of money and time having to deal with their dog getting all wild just because the clippers are loud, and then also taking them to the groomers. They can just do it themselves if they have these clippers. So great product. Again, when I saw this engagement, I was pretty shocked just because everyone was saying how much they love the product. So this is another good one, and I know I've talked about the dog niche a lot this video, but it just, like, there are some good products right now that are out, and I suggest someone definitely sell this product and DM me once you sell it, because I'm pretty certain that it will probably perform pretty well. This next product improves your golf swing, I believe, and it's called Eyeline Golf. Speaking of I film in the dark, and it's at night, like it's 8 p.m. right now. The reason is my eyes are very weird, and I have to blink every 0.5 seconds in the first half of the day, so that's why I always film in the dark, and at night, because my eyes are extremely sensitive. They've always been sensitive my whole life, so that's why I film in the dark, because it's so hard for me to film during the day since I'm blinking like this the whole time. So yeah, that's a side note, but this is the golf product. It's, again, helps you swing or something like that. I'm not really a fan of golf, but I just saw the engagement. People are saying that they have the same one and all this stuff about like how they've gotten it and stuff like that, and they like the product. So that's when I thought that it was a cool product, and there wasn't a crazy amount of engagement, which means maybe no one scaled this product yet. I didn't see a ton of people like scaling it or anything like that. So this could definitely be a great product. The golf niche is a lot bigger than people think. There are definitely a lot of passionate people. They're looking to buy stuff to improve their swing, their drive, whatever the case may be. Again, I'm not really a golfer, so I have no idea like the terminology, but I just know it's a big audience, and you could potentially sell a lot of products to them. So this is a pretty cool one, and I decided to add it in here because I did see some people in here saying that they did like the product or that they wanted the product, which that's always a great sign. Okay, this next product is a little bag. It's like a messenger bag or something like that. Very simple, okay? I was like kind of confused when I saw it because it's such a simple bag, but then I saw all of the engagement and everyone was saying how they loved it and all this stuff. Like, we got ours today, ordered 4, bought 1, received mine 2 days ago, all this stuff, and I was pretty blown away when I saw all of this engagement. Love mine, blah, blah, blah. I used it all winter, love this. That was an amazing sign, like seeing all of these people saying that they love the product. That was great. So when I saw that, I decided to add that in here. If you guys are like trying to take notes of what products I look to sell, there's no specific product. Like, it's not like there's one specific type of product I sell. It's just something that's in high demand and something that people actually enjoy and will love. I don't want to sell a product where it's shitty and people are going to hate it and they're going to try and like charge back or dispute payment or something like that, because that's not really worth it. You want to sell a product that's of value and quality for the customer. So when I saw all the engagement for this product, I knew I should probably include it in this video because it is very simple. Like, I'll play the video. It's literally just a bag that holds stuff. It's not like it's anything crazy. Like, it's not the next fidget spinner or anything, but it's just a bag, and it does very simple things. Holds, again, keeps your phone, passport, wallet, and other valuables safe. That is pretty cool, and I do think it's probably gonna be a big product next year, just because 2021, I'm sure a lot of people are waiting to travel and they want to make sure all their stuff is safe. So if you can market this bag like they're doing and saying, you know, it keeps all your valuables safe, you don't have to worry about getting pickpocketed, blah, blah, blah. You sell it next year to all the people who are looking to travel. This product could definitely do really well if things start to open up and people will start to travel more often. So that's, again, great one and has a lot of good engagement. This next product shocked me when I saw it because it looked pretty cool. I don't do my nails, but I saw that you could literally just wrap your nails with this, and then you file them down and they're basically perfect, and then you, like, I don't know, you seal them with some sort of clear coat or something. I don't really know what it's called. Personally, I thought this product was really cool because think of it this way, okay? If a girl falls in love with this product, it's not a conversion where you're making $10 or $20, okay? I don't know how often people or girls do their nails, but let's say they do them like 10 times a year, maybe more, maybe less, I really have no idea. If you're selling them 10 of these kits a year, that would be, and let's just say you sell them for 10 bucks, that's $100. And if someone actually likes the product, they're probably gonna come back and keep buying the product. So you can definitely pay a little bit more to acquire customers because you do know that if they like the product, they're gonna return and buy more. So that's when you can go hard with email marketing and retargeting and all of that stuff, and then create new styles. And you can just do a whole lot with stuff like this. So that's why I decided to throw this one in here, just because it was so different. Like, it's a different product. I had never really seen something like this where you can literally just wrap your nail and then, you know, seal it up and it's good to go. And it looks like it's professionally done. I would definitely suggest looking into this product. There also is a lot of good engagement. I love the color red, really cool, beautiful. Why would you buy them if they're made in China? Everything's made in China, but I just bought a set, all this stuff, you know. I love this, nice. All this, yeah. You obviously have some doubters in the comments. I've had this in literally every product I sell, and it's gonna happen. I normally just hide my comments that are like that, but nonetheless, it's a pretty cool product and a cool concept, so this could be something that you could look into selling. I'm sure, again, they have this on Alibaba or AliExpress, so definitely look into this product as well. This next product, I'm kind of exposing it to you guys because I personally think this is horribly wrong if this is a lie, and I think it is because I did some research. Basically, this ad is saying that it's an army vet, and 6 years ago he lost his left leg in a roadside bomb attack in Eastern Afghanistan, and then all this stuff, and he was with his attack dog, or like his army dog or whatever, and I think it was like his dog had PTSD or something like that, or issues with some sort of his bones or something, and then they introduced the product, and it was this supplement for dogs' joints or something along those lines. And now they're like selling that supplement. And I think this story is a lie, but that is an interesting way to run an ad. Like, literally they're telling it's an 11-minute video ad, and then they link you to a ClickFunnels where you can buy their supplements for dog joints, or I think it's like dog joints or something like that. So you could potentially look into selling dog joint pills or supplements or something like that. But I just thought this was a really interesting video. I think it's a little unethical to lie about like an army vet blowing up, or like losing his leg, and then that's how you're selling supplements. I don't think that's right at all, but I thought I should include this just because I kind of wanted to expose it and show you guys what not to do, because that's not right at all. But it is a cool product, and I'm sure they're selling a lot of it, but that's kind of unethical if I'm being honest. This next product, they are in-house socks that have like the anti-stick material on the bottom. I think these products are really cool. They're very simple. For myself, I wear the fuzzy cabin socks inside when it gets cold, and these are kind of the same things, but they're anti-stick. Personally, I like sliding around in the tile, so I don't get why they would wear anti-stick, but they do look pretty cool. They have a lot of different colors, which means average order value. You can upsell multiple colors, bundle deals, all of that stuff. And a lot of the comments were saying that they wanted it for a Christmas present. I need these, I need some of these, want some, I like those, someone buy me them, all this stuff of people saying that they want them. So this could make an amazing holiday gift for a lot of people, which means you could potentially bring this to the market, scale it up, and do some great numbers with this product while you still have a chance, because there is still some good time to sell products for Christmas and all that stuff. So definitely look into selling these, and then even after Christmas, these products will probably still do well throughout the beginning of 2021. So definitely look into selling these because it's a great concept. I'm sure you can again get your average order value pretty high just because people will definitely buy multiple pairs of these. The last product is another massage product. It massages your neck and back, and I thought this product was pretty cool because there's another product that's similar to it that wraps around your neck and massages your neck, but this one actually does your back. I wanted to add this product because it's basically the same as the winning product that I've seen in the past, but a little bit different. And there also was some great engagement of people saying that they've bought and that they need it and how much, just ordered as a gift, blah, 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 all that stuff. That's what you want to look for when you're looking for good products. That's a great sign if people are saying that they've bought the product. It basically is telling you that the product is selling, and then from there you can go ahead and do a little bit more research and figure out if it's something you potentially want to dropship. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all of these products. I'm hoping that maybe in the next few days I'm getting DMs from all of you guys saying that you've tested a product and it worked or something along those lines. I've gotten those DMs in the past and it's a great feeling, so definitely flood my DMs if you do sell these and make money with them. I'll have a link in the description for my Instagram. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and click subscribe. I found all of these products on scrolling through my Facebook feed, and then also Shopify, which is a product research tool, basically pulls all of Facebook's active ads, and I talk about it a lot because I use it pretty religiously. Like, it's something I go on almost every day to see what sort of products are selling well. I'll have a link in the description for that. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to drop those in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.